Fans, friends, and family. Package came in. We waiting on a brake caliber. Got the brake pads sitting down there in the box. Goes on this guy right here. 110 Tao pit bike. As y'all know, we ordered up a brake lever for this, but the brake lever came in and didn't match the hole. The brake reservoir didn't match for that, so we ordered another one overnight shipment, and this is what they came with. Extra set of brake pads is already in here, and this is supposed to be able to mount up to here, just like so. Kind of looks almost like the same thing we're working with, which is a good thing. We'll see if they mount up and work right and see if it fits. Got the handle right here. Like I said, this here bolt wouldn't fit